coin boxes, you have two main styles, the rectangular face and the square face. They all measure approximately 4 inches across. All of the rectangular ones measure approximately 2 3/4 down, where the square ones measure 3 1/2. They all come in different depths. For the rectangular, we have about 6 inches deep and 8 1/4 on both of these here. For the square face, we have 4 1/4 inch deep, 6 1/4, 7 1/4, and 8 1/4. Now, to determine which one you need for your machine, all you need to know is square or rectangle. Generally, all of the older Alliance machines take the rectangle boxes, like the BC series, the MD2, the NC series, etc. All the older Dexters take them as well, like the WCN series, the WCAD T600 or smaller. As far as the square boxes, the Alliance SCN series, the newer, take the square boxes, and the Dexter C series or WCAD series T900 and bigger. To determine square or rectangle, you don't need to know any of that. You just need to know, is your hole closer to 3 inches or 4 inches? This one's closer to 3, you need a rectangular box. Other thing you're going to want to check is look inside the vault to see if you have a switch in the back of it. It's usually one of these guys. If you do have a switch, you're going to need a coin vault that goes all the way to the back of your vault. This one measures 8 1/2, so you're going to want the coin box as close to that as possible, which would be the 8 1/4 variety. Other than that, the only real difference is, in general, the coin boxes with the cone face are much, much harder to drill out and break into than the ones with the flat face. Take a final look at the part numbers.